Okay. So can you people tell me what we have learned in the last class?
Ma'am, we learned multiplication, super for multiplication. Ma'am, we used the multiplication with the series of 9.
Correct.
And then we learned Vilokanam in the previous classes.
Yeah, correct. So can someone do this problem within minutes? Not minutes,
sorry,
second.
I have to find my book right now. I was not prepared. Where did I get it?
Do it and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I just now found it. Just a second, it will take a bit time. We'll just. The pen also ready now.
366.
Yeah, Leelakant.
3,366.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Very good.
Ma'am, just a second.
Ma'am, my answer is 3366.
Good.
Ma'am, my answer is also 366.
Good.
But ma'am,
Okay.
I don't write the two numbers and then run it. I just simply write the answer for one and just beside it I write the answer for two and then it's already.
Yes, very good. Has everyone got the answers?
Yes,
Vaidehi and Dhruv.
336.
Got? Okay. How about you, Dhruv? You got or not? No? Why? Have you not attended the previous class?
I attended.
Then? What's wrong?
This line and this writing.
What is step 1? We need to subtract the original number by 1. That is, we got 33. Step 2, need to use all from 9 and last from 10, right?
Yes.
Last from 10. So by using that, what is the answer you are going to get? 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6.
And right? Then after that is third.
So the answer is 3366. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today I am going to start a multiplication with series of ones.
Literally. Ma'am, are you kidding me?
What happened?
Ones?
So,
is that 11 or is that 9? Like, is that 11 or is that ones?
What?
Are we gonna do the tables with 11 or 1?
Correct. 11, 111, all such things. Okay, let me give you one example. Everyone have a look. For example, if I want to multiply 23 into 11. So within seconds, how I'm going to do? See, I'm going to write 23 like this and 11. Okay. And one interesting part is I'm not going to use any multiplication over here. But mathematically, I'm doing 23 into 11. But according to Vedic Maths, I'm not using any multiplication over here. What I'm doing, I'm writing this 2 over here. 5, 3. So this is your answer.
Now, how do you get 2, 5, 3?
Wait, I'm going to teach you that. So within seconds, you can do this. How? See, we have the original number like this, 23, correct? So I'm writing this in the left hand side. I'm writing this 3 in my right hand side. So this part, what I'm doing, I'm going to add this 2. 3 plus 2, that is 5. This is how we are going to do multiplication with 11.
Ma'am, can
Any
I?
doubts?
Yes, ma'am. May I ask you a question?
If
Ma'am, what if the number is 57 and multiplied by 11?
I'm going to teach you that also. Wait.
You'll get 12.
doubt is that
Yeah, I'm going to teach you that. Any doubts in this?
no,
No.
no.
How about others? Has everyone got this? How to do?
Ma'am, can I write this down?
Yeah, later. First listen to me. Rudraj, did you receive links from us? Test links.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you solved it?
Maybe.
No, ma'am.
Why?
This has forgot.
Huh? Network problem. How come? You can download the papers and you can solve and keep. So whenever you have a good internet, good network, you can upload it. It will not take much time, dear. Don't give me reasons, okay? This is the last warning. Okay. So what is your doubt? Dairya, you tell me which number you told me? 70?
57. So 57 multiplied by 11. So in that case,
57 multiplied by 11. Okay.
no,
Just
how?
have a look. I'm going to teach you that. So we have 57. So I need to multiply it by 11. So the same method I'm using, I'm just writing my left-hand side number towards my left-hand side and right-hand side number towards my right-hand side. I'm going to add this. What is 5 plus 7?
12.
12. Right? But according to our multiplication, this 2-digit number is not allowed over here. Correct? So I need to make it as a what? Single digit number. But how? And one more important thing is I need to get a correct answer. Right? So what I'm doing, just have a look. I'm just making this into parts. So this number, this is single digit. So I'm writing it as it is. So here I have two numbers. So this is my right hand side number and this is my left hand side number. So what I'm doing, I'm just keeping this right hand side number as it is and I'm shifting this left hand side number towards here. And I'm adding this number to this 5. So 5 plus 1 will become 6. So my last final answer is 627.
Okay,
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's clear.
Is this method interesting?
Yes, ma'am. Can I write it down now?
Yeah. You people can copy this.
20 times 11.
Okay.
30 times 11. Ma'am, is this any sutra?
What?
Ma'am, what is the name of this sutra? There's no Ekatakena Purvana or any sutra.
No. It is a part of, it consists of many sutras and sub-sutras.
I guess then we didn't learn of it.
No, I'm telling you, it is a part of, like it is having so many sub-sutras and sutras in it. You are not using one particular sutra in this.
Ma'am, I guess we didn't learn those.
Which one? Sutras and in sub-sutras and sutras topic?
Used in this.
This one. You have learned. I'll tell you later. You first write it down. Finish it off.
Okay, ma'am. Well, I'm just looking forward to
Done? Very good.
Yes.
If you have done, you can copy this.
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing that right now. Ma'am, I wrote it down.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
How about others? Copied? Okay. Let me know once everyone done. I'm going to give you some problems regarding it. Let's see.
Done, ma'am, already.
Done?
6,000 years.
Okay.
Ma'am, Ma'am, can I open my chat? Private. Okay. Ma'am, please wait.
Yeah, I'll wait.
You're giving so many questions.
Ma'am, it is.
It is what? I gave only 30, 12, 10 questions, right? Actually, my target is, I thought of giving 30 questions. Yes.
Please don't do that.
Ma'am, it will take time 100 and
No, it should not take time. I'm going to give you time also. I'll tell you how much time you need to finish this.
I'm just started writing 4.
I'm not going to like stop sharing my screen. You people can write the first problem and you can solve it. I want everyone to send me all the answers together, not one answer at a time. If I give 20 questions, 20 answers one time. If I give 30 questions, 30 answers at a single shot. Okay.
So, ma'am, exactly how many questions are you giving us?
It depends on me. Let's see.
Yeah. Ma'am, this question is very difficult. Fifth one.
Fifth one is?
Ma'am, I don't understand fifth one at all.
Fifth one, you can use the sutra which I had taught you yesterday or today's. It's your wish.
Oh, yeah.
You have to think like that.
Yes, ma'am, I'm going to do it yesterday. I'm going to do yesterday. That's more easier. Yay, good job. Okay, now let's try answers. Ma'am, how are you gonna write the answers?
What?
How are you where are you gonna write the answers?
Yeah, for that only I'm making space. See?
Oh.
Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
This much is enough.
how gonna do this fifth one?
It is
Confusing me.
it's confusing me.
Yes.
You can use the sutra which I taught yesterday. Multiply by 99. Remember? Then you can use this method also. You can verify both the answers, whether you got the correct answer or not.
Ma'am, you gave 6 and 7 in such a way that it makes it easy. 6, 7.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just have to reverse the order.
Right.
Yes. Now let's go on.
Is there anyone completed first 10 problems?
No, ma'am. I'm the 8th one.
Ma'am, I have completed 4 problems.
4 problems.
I've done 8. Double as you.
Yeah, Vaidehi, tell me what's your doubt?
Okay.
I also have completed 4. I'm going to do the 5th one.
Very good. If the questions are repeated, let me know about it, okay?
And a series
Because I am giving randomly. Yeah, tell me.
randomly. Come on.
You put 217 into 11.
Yeah, correct, right? Okay, let me make it 19. Then 215 into 11.
99 into 11.
Ma'am, I'm done the top 10 questions.
Top 10 questions.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't know top 10 questions.
No, ma'am, I've done all of them.
You have not done very good. Yeah, Lilakant, you were telling something?
I'm the 99 and 11.
You didn't get?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Its answer I get, so it 1085 I got.
Okay, we'll cross check it later. You solve other problems.
But ma'am,
Enough, or do you want me to give more?
more.
More?
No.
It is enough. It is enough.
Enough.
My mistake.
What's your mistake?
Mama, by mistake, you told more. But I want less. More than
By
less.
mistakenly, you told more.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yeah, Vaidehi, tell me.
9 into 11, I've done it. So 18, 9 and 9 there. But when I did 1 to 9, then it became 10. So how will I do the 2-digit?
Okay, I think many people have doubt in this. We'll solve this later. You can leave this question and you can do the rest.